Ready to start. First things first, let's roll some die.
I got a 13.
Okay, that means you get to be on the play here.
I will be on the play.
Yep.
I think I will try this.
Okay, I'm thinking for a moment here. I'm gonna mulligan that. Oh, okay. Okay, I'll keep this hand, and I'll put a card back. I will put back. I'll put back that card. I'm ready to go.
Main one.
Yep.
Balance into monkey and pass.
Okay, I'll untap, I'll draw, go to my first main, play an Arid Mesa, correct the Mesa. I'll be searching for a Plateau. Tap Plateau, I'll Swords to Plowshares your monkey.
Okay, I will gain 2 life.
Yep, pass turn.
And I'll keep the main. I think I will play its wooded full hits. Tap it, picking one, get what's this? Taiga.
Okay.
And I will tap 2 for Butchered Goblin. And then I will pass.
Okay. I will untap, I will draw. Fervent Catacombs, correct it. Go here, grab out a Savannah. Yeah, okay. I'll cast a Giver of Runes and then a Birds of Paradise. Pass.
Okay. And I'll keep the main. Playing this swamp.
Yep.
And the start of combat swim for 2.
Take 2.
Second main playing Squee.
Okay, squeeze out. And you make your little token.
And then I will pass.
Okay. I will untap. Draw. We'll tap 2 for Ren 6.
Yeah.
I will. You have Ragavan's exiled. Do you have nothing else in your graveyard? Okay. We uptick Ren. We'll be grabbing out the Arid Mesa.
Yeah.
I'll play the Arid Mesa as land for turn. Crack it. We're going to be searching for a Taiga. Go here. Tap Taiga. We'll Flame Slash Slimefoot and Squee.
Yeah. I think I will say they took the commands.
Okay. Because I can just you hit Ren for 3 here. Unless you have a hasty creature. Do I want to play this out? Because I have 4 mana. Ren should not die unless you have a removal spell, but it will die if you have a removal spell anyways. This next turn I'll have 5. Okay. I'll go ahead and pass.
Okay. I shall. And I'll keep the Flame Blood Creek untapped.
Mm-hmm.
I think I'll swing at Renan 6.
Okay. Giver will protect birds from black. And then it will block Future Goblin. Unless you have a response to the protection.
No, it's good.
Okay.
Then I think I will. Yeah, I will vault the giver.
Okay. Giver gone.
I need 3 mana for Goblin main turn.
Okay.
I will put this Goblin into my hand.
Okay. Okay.
Then I will pass.
Okay. Play that. The sacrifice outlet Putrid Goblin gets to go infinite. You have no outlet for the ETBs of the Putrid Goblin, though. We will untap. Draw. Draw a card. Ren will
Yeah.
tick up. I will get red, white, green. Here, get Averted Catacombs.
Yeah.
I will crack it. Search my library for a basic forest. I'll go boom, boom, boom. Cast a Marath Will of the Wild.
Yeah.
Set it to 3 counters on it.
Yeah.
I will pass turn.
I shall untap a keeper main.
Yep.
Mhm. What does Marath do? Damage and mental counters.
Just a second. I'm looking at your list right now. I'm trying to figure out Persist Scoop.
Maybe I need to put another go.
What are you trying to do? Okay, is it Slider that wins here? What is your outlet for this? Bombardment. Oh, it's bombardment. Okay.
Hmm.
Thankfully, Gully is a.
Marath, you have very good card.
You said Marth is a really good card. Is that what you just said?
Yeah, yeah.
Oh.
It's just I need to.
Persist is if it doesn't have a -1/-1 counter, it comes back.
Yeah, it comes with a +1/+1 counter.
Okay, that's good to know. Because it's Undying, it's a +1/+1 counter.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
So I can't force it to die with Marath, is what I'm trying to figure out. If it had Undying, I could.
Yeah.
No, you can force it to die with Persist. It'll come back with a counter, but if there's not a ground goalie, it'll just have a -1/-1 counter.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. That's what I'm thinking. You can kill it right now, yeah.
I can.
Well, I think I will just Diabolic Intent, sacrifice this token,
Okay.
and I will tutor for a card and put it into my hand.
Okay.
Then I will pass.
Okay. Okay, I think I know what card you just tutored for. Draw a card. Main phase. Okay. Ren will tick up.
Yep.
I will grab this Arid Mesa back and play it as my land for turn. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 mana. Okay. Let's start off by casting a Legolas's Quick Reflexes targeting Marath.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
Then I will go to combat. And I will attack you with Marath. I will deal 3 damage to Putrid Goblin.
It will combat with a -1/-1 counter,
Yep.
and I will take 3.
Okay. Second main. One, 2, 3, 4, 5 mana. I pass the turn.
Okay. I shall untap upkeep draw.
Yep.
You have a lot of mana.
Yep.
Main.
Yep.
I will start with Noble Hierarch.
Okay, that will resolve.
Start of combat.
Okay. Go ahead.
I will swing a red with Putrid Goblin. We will get Exalted Trigger.
Exalted Trigger on the stack. Let's crack Arid Mesa.
Yeah.
Search for a basic plains. I will remove a counter from Marath and hit Putrid Goblin.
Sure thing. It will die.
It will die. Okay.
Second main. Oh, I tap it. That. I will. I think.
With Rakdos Colors, tap for 3.
Correct these colors. No, I will leave at that. I will pass the turn.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's start with a Once Upon a Time.
Okay.
View the top 5 cards of my library. I can't reveal that. I already have my land drop for next turn. Be grabbing a basic, or not a basic. If I play this, it gets to smack in. Let's grab an Inti
Okay. Very good.
to my hand, and we'll go to my turn. Or,
Sure thing.
I mean, I still have Marath activations up. Do I want to kill Ignoble right now? If I kill Ignoble right now, because yeah, let's go ahead and remove a counter from Marath, kill Ignoble Hierarch.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, okay, my turn.
Feel free to go.
Untap, upkeep, nothing in upkeep.
And nothing.
I will go ahead and draw for turn. Go to my first main. We'll start by upticking Renin 6. Going here.
Yeah.
Going to my graveyard, grabbing out a Reverted Catacombs. And playing that as my land for turn.
Sure thing.
Let's go tap you, tap you. We'll play out. And actually, Verdant won't be my land for turn. Is that okay?
Yeah, it's not okay.
Okay. Play out an Inti. Okay, let's start combat. I will attack with Marath. When I attack with Marath, Inti will trigger. I will discard the Verdant Catacombs that I played. Well, I got from Marath from Ren and 6. That will put a counter on it. It will now gain trample. Inti will trigger. I will exile the top card of my library.
But it's a mom.
Yep. And do you take 2 here?
I take 2.
Okay. I go to my second main. I will play out a Misty Rainforest. Then I will tap the Savannah to cast Mother of Runes.
Yeah.
Okay, I will now end my turn.
Well, Anta Okipura.
Yep.
Pre-Satrias Spray Grounds.
Okay.
I think I will play Gorgali.
Okay.
Then I will pass.
Okay. Let's see. So Ren ticks up to there. Yeah, okay. Go ahead and I have I'll crack this Misty Rainforest.
Yeah.
Search my library for a Temple Garden, which I will enter tapped. Go to my turn. Untap.
Okay.
Upkeep, and then draw. Main phase. Let's see. So let's uptick Ren.
Yeah.
Let's grab ourselves an Arid Mesa to hand.
Yeah.
Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 mana. I get to tell you to go. Okay, let's go Basilisk Collar.
Yeah. Very good.
I will now equip Basilisk Collar to Marath.
Yeah.
I will then remove a counter from Marath and hit Grumgully.
Yeah.
I will gain 1.
Yeah.
We'll start combat and attack. Inti will trigger. I'll discard this Arid Mesa. I'll put a counter onto Marath. I should also attack with Inti. Yeah. Just do.
And I ask you to put it into the stack and put it back into the
So
battleground so I can see the power Douglas.
the power toughness is 2/2. I don't know why it's not.
Okay.
I'll set it like that. I'll attack like this, and Inti will trigger for me discarding Arid Mesa.
Yeah.
That's a Sacred Foundry on top.
Okay. I will take 4.
Okay.
Go to 10.
Yep. Go to my second main. I'll play a Sacred Foundry untapped.
Yeah.
And I will pass the turn.
Okay. Man. I will have to play if you don't have it, you don't have. You have it food chain.
Okay. Food chain
Enter.
resolves.
I will exile our main turn.
Oh, actually, wait. Yeah, I need to respond to you casting it, but actually, go for it. Go for it. It's okay. Go for it.
Slimefoot Squee.
Okay.
No, Squee. Attempt to exile.
Before you cast, while Squee is on the stack, Dramoka's command.
Yeah. If you have it, you have it. I had the collect hat, but
Out of count.
yeah.
Okay. 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 I have to think about my cuts here.
Yeah, same here.
Let's see your list. Let me see what you might be bringing in. Okay. You're bringing in those things. Probably that. Not. Yeah, probably that. Maybe that. Definitely that. And definitely that. Like, you have a bunch of cards you can bring in against me, it seems like. Okay. We're going to. Oh, wow. This is difficult. Okay. It's a difficult decision. Um. Yeah, you're ready to start the game. Okay, it's on me.
It wasn't displaying Inti's stats, by the way, because your Oracle isn't updated. It doesn't actually like recognize the text on the card.
Gotcha. I'll be sure to set its power and toughness to a 2/2.
But
That's good here.
it's weird because when he set up the stats, it doesn't seem that like it's buffed because it shows it on white. So
Gosh, what freaking thing?
Yeah, there's like a weird middle thing it has where it knows the image but doesn't actually have the stats on for some reason. I
yeah.
don't know why it does that, but usually updating Oracle fixes that.
Okay, I'm ready to start.
Well, I take it to play again.
Okay.
This doesn't do anything.
Okay. I will think about my 7 very strongly for a moment here. I will keep my 7.
I will keep. I think I will keep my 6.
Okay. Ready when you are.
I will start with Earthen Catacombs.
Yep.
Racket. Search up for Badlands. Detroit Shaman.
Okay.
Then I will pass.
Okay. Untap. I will draw. Wooded Foothills, crack Wooded Foothills. View my library for a plateau. I will Prismatic Ending your Death Ray.
Okay.
Exile.
Exile. Okay, draw main. First things first, Inquisition.
Okay.
I will take the draw book as command.
Okay. Drugg's command goes to Graveyard.
I will play Wooded Foothills.
Yep.
And pass the turn.
Okay. Untap. I will draw. In my main, I'll play a forest, tap, Renin 6.
Yeah.
Uptick, grab my Wooded Foothills back to my hand.
Yeah.
Pass.
I will correct this. Take my Sartorius Paragrams.
Yep.
And take my turn.
Yep.
I'll keep the main. You have your command tower.
Yep.
Have a ball. I think I will play Slimefoot and Squee.
Okay.
Then I will end my turn.
Okay. Untap. I will draw. Okay. I'll play Wooded Foothills. I will crack Wooded Foothills. Search my library for a. Let's go with a Savannah.
Yeah.
Actually, that's the wrong choice. May I undo that and search for Taiga instead?
Yeah, for free.
Okay. Thank you. Good thing I didn't take any game actions before realizing that mistake. Let's go ahead and start with a uptick. Well, no, let's start with a lightning bolt on Slimefoot and Squee.
I will set it to the command.
Okay. Then I will. Let's uptick Ren, grabbing back the Wooded Foothills, putting
Yeah.
that back into my hand. Gotta think. I will pass the turn.
Okay, I will untap. I'll keep the main. Playing Maya.
Thank you for the fixing.
Yeah, you're welcome. Sacrifice a Planeswalker.
Okay. That is Renin 6 gone.
I will get you forward.
Yep.
Then I will pass.
Okay. We're gonna seek the beast real quick and go 1, 2, Misty Utopia Sprawl.
Choosing.
Yep. Untap, upkeep, draw. We're gonna go Misty.
Yeah.
Okay. Tap this Utopia Sprawl in the forest. Set
Choosing.
the annotation to white mana.
Yeah.
Tap and cast Questing Druid.
Choosing.
Yep. Or I'll tap it like green. Yeah, it's green. I'll tap it like that. Question Druid. I'm gonna lose one. And search my library for a Savannah.
Yeah.
And I will deploy out an Ozolith, the Shattered Spire.
Okay.
Pass the turn.
Think first. No, I will. Okay, the main. Dash Ragavan.
Ragavan is in fact dashed.
I will swing. Offer you the trade. Sorry.
This is until end of turn. You may cast that card.
Yeah.
Yeah. And you get to make your treasure token.
We got our short token. Second main. I think I will cast Giver.
Here you go.
I will put this token back. Then I will pass, and this goes back to my hand.
Okay. I will untap, upkeep, draw. Okay. In here, green, white, red. Oh no, let me do this first. Wooded Foothills, Crack Foothills. Search my library for a forest. We will cast Marath.
In response, I will issue Osolith.
Okay. That will get will get destroyed. I'll search for something with a basic land type.
Yeah.
Let's just grab a plains.
Choosing.
Marath enters with 3 counters. Then I will cast
The Questing Druid also grows.
Yep, thank you. Just it should grow by 2 because of how it was the Ozolith was still in play.
No.
It's a cast.
But I make it into response of the trigger.
It can just be destroyed in response to the trigger, yeah.
So
if it's not in play when it resolves,
Gotcha.
it'll only get 1 counter.
Gotcha. Okay. Then I will tap for a Hardened Scales.
Yeah.
And I'll tap for a Cryptic Trial Bite.
Okay. You have
Remove counter.
infinite. Yeah, you win.
All right.
GG's.
GG's. Good game.
And the top card of my deck was Food Chain.
Oh. I mean,
GG's.
I mean, another thing is,
Everybody.
even if you had Food Chain there, and you did infinite 1/1s, I could. It's not instant speed. It has to untap.
Yeah.
All right. Well, good game.
Good game.